Okay, so we have a... Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh. We have a couple more packages that came in our P.O. box, and we just wanted to acknowledge them. This package came from Canada, from Lloyd, and we've already opened this one. So, because I got this one a few days ago. And what he sent was, well, first of all, he had a letter for us, and just kind of described what he had made for us. But first of all, he also sent these calendars. These are just little calendars. This one has tractors. This is Canadian parks. And this one is from Alberta. So thank you for those calendars. I think I'll probably give one to each of the boys, and they can have it in their room. Alright, and then he also sent these things that he made, which are name tags. So I think what he used was a 3D printer. That's what the boys said it was. So this one like has Kevin's name on it. Tractor that says Sydney's name. I don't know if you guys can see that. A heart with my name. And these are magnets. Some of these are magnets and some of them are just name tags. This one says Sanders. And he's got a whole bunch of them too. There's some yellow ones. This one's Mackenzie and it has a butterfly on it. And mine with a butterfly. And I think he gave everyone at least two. I think we got three. The boys got two and we got three. We got the heart and then two yellow ones. But each of the boys got a tractor. So that was really nice of you, and really appreciate that. Thanks. And did I tell you he was from Canada? I think I did. Lloyd, thank you so much. And then this one we just got this one. This is the, I don't want to say their last name on camera, but this comes from Illinois. And I already took the outside off just to make it a little bit quicker. And her package says not to be careful using a knife while opening.
To be careful using a knife, Ma.
Her package says to be careful with using a knife to open it. So Kenzie's just gonna dig right in.
Wow.
To the girls who do the cooking. Oh, that's cute. Look at what she put in the inside. Very nice card. I really like this card. So she put a piggy and a cow. And they wrote a letter. Deuteronomy 28, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, thank you so much. We'll read this letter in a minute. So this comes from Robin, Amy, and Sierra from Illinois. Thank you. And it says, to the cooks in the family. So, to the girls who do the cooking. So I guess that's us. One for you and one for me.
That one's yours. You want to open them at the same time?
You can open it first.
No, you have to open yours too. I don't want to be like the weird house. Open it all. Mine's cuter.
Aww. Yours is cuter.
Yeah.
Aww. Are these towels? Like, oh, I love these. They are cute. Look at this. They put a little cow face on it. I love that. Did you draw that yourself?
I got a little
talented.
piggy.
Two of them. Oh, my little piggy. Is there two of them?
Yeah, there's two of them.
She got a little piggy. Oh, that's very talented.
Oh, it's a hot pad.
Ooh. Yes.
They're hot pads.
Thank you. These we always need hot pads. Yeah. Thank you. We will definitely be using these.
Mine has a little thing.
Mine has a cute cow.
You think she grew? She
Yeah.
had to.
Yeah, they aren't exactly the same.
No, they're not.
Wow, thank you so much. We really appreciate these. Now we have to figure out where to put them.
Yeah.
You can keep yours. I don't want you to get them dirty.
Yeah. For my house.
Yeah.
When I move out.
No. Ah, thank you guys. Really appreciate it.
Are you that short?
Yeah, well, you have boots on.
Oh, there's
Kenzie's getting ready to go away. And I'm going to head outside and show you guys what's happening outside. The guys are gearing up for what could be an interesting weekend as far as weather goes. They're saying that we could get like an inch of ice or 2 to 3 inches of rain or snow. So it just kind of depends on where you live. Where we live, they're saying more ice than snow, but we have to wait and see what that's actually going to look like. So I'm going to take you outside and show you what it looks like outside right now. Tomorrow is when everything is supposed to start turning. So it's going to start with rain and then get colder throughout the day and then possibly freeze or something. So we'll see what everybody's doing outside. Say hi, Kenzie. She hasn't been in very many videos. You know why? She's been working really hard at getting her school done. When do you want to be done by?
soon.
She has a ways to go yet, but...
No, I don't. I have like 2 weeks.
You have a lot of math that you cannot finish in 2 weeks, no matter how much you work on it.
That's mean.
It's not mean. It's just who you are. Just to work hard. Work hard to graduate. Anyways, let's go outside. We got fog right now. But we'll see what tomorrow brings because they're talking ice. Either snow, rain, or ice. So we have to wait and see. Getting ready to sell this big tub of ours. Whoa! Ethan, what are you working on? Oh, nothing? This is his Ski Whiz snowmobile that he's restoring. Probably getting it ready because they're talking a snowstorm. Am I right?
No.
No, you won't ride it? Probably. What are you working on though? What's the thingamajig called?
You don't know?
No. Do you?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Why do you need to know?
I don't, but the viewers do. Starter?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Imagine that.
I knew what it was or what?
Something this old having a start.
Oh, what year is it?
71.
In 1971? Has the starter worked always?
Yeah.
Oh. Why'd you take it off then?
Mounting brackets were.
The what? The mounting brackets? Here it is. It's been freshly repainted, but look at that layer of dust. Good old ski whiz.
Recording?
Oh, are you waiting for me?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I've been summoned. And the tractor here needed a new starter put on the other side, I think. And so that's what Sydney was working on. I think they got it on, right?
Yeah.
Works.
Yeah. Still moving right now.
This is where the cattle were in pasture. Ow, it's hitting me. It's pelleting right now, but we got a lot of rain. Good thing we got the cows in from pasture. You know it's bad out when the chickens want to be in the dog's house. She doesn't even want to go in her own coop. I just needed to make sure that these girls have warm bedding, plenty to eat. They look like they're all rowdy. I've got all the curtains closed. And then over here, I did the same. I made sure that their bedding is extra deep. And yeah, everybody's looking good. Aren't ya? There's a couple of them over in the feeders. I'm only bedding this area right, probably about from, I would say it's 3/4 of the pen is bedded. I don't bed where the gate is because nobody lays over there, so I think it's just a waste of bedding. There's not a lot of calves in here. I forget how many, I think 14. And this pen is, we created the pen to hold 25 calves, so there's plenty of room for them all to lay. And this is my weaning group, which is, I don't know how many's in here either, probably 10. And yeah, I only have about half of this area bedded. The front half is not bedded. We pretty much put a layer of fresh bedding down almost daily, just to make sure that they have clean bedding, especially in the winter when it's cold. And there's 59. I thought she was gonna die, but she's, how old are you now? She's probably about 9 weeks, maybe 10 weeks. She's still getting a little bit of milk, but not too much. So that's the calves. So the snowstorm that we were supposed to have gotten, well, we kind of got it. We just got like probably about 2.5 inches of rain. And then it turned into sleet, so it was sleeting for a while, and it accumulated a little bit of ice like on the trees in the driveway and stuff, but we only ended up getting like a dusting of snow, so we didn't get as much ice and snow that they had said that we could get, but we're thankful for that, because if it became heavy ice, it could have brought down power lines and, you know, made a big mess. So I'm going to show you outside and show you what it looks like now. So here's what we're left with after the big snowstorm. Everything's dripping now, so it's probably in the upper 20s. But nope, not very much snow. Maybe an inch max. Well, most of the ice is off the tree branches already, but you can see.
You can see this.
And the calf barn, oh, it's dripping, but it has icicles all along. At least it's not windy today.